guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this beautiful peachy look for you. If you can't tell, I am absolutely ready for springtime. I'm in New York and yeah, that says it all. Winters in New York, so much fun. I created this look using the new Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette and a few new Fenty Beauty products that I have, and I just mixed it with the ones that I already owned. So my whole entire face is Fenty and my eyes are Urban Decay. I hope you guys are super excited to learn how to complete this on yourself. And if you're new to my channel, please do hit subscribe. And while watching this video, if you haven't already, please definitely hit that thumbs up. This way I know that you enjoyed my video and YouTube knows that you enjoyed my video. Therefore, they will share this video. Thank you so much for tuning in and keep watching. I already did my eyebrows, so now I'm going to go in and clean up around my eyebrows and also prime my eyelids. I'm going to use my MAC Studio Finish Concealer, and this is the shade NC30. This is just going to add a bit of highlight and clean up underneath my brows. See, it just naturally adds a bit of a lift to your eyebrow, and that just makes everything appear a lot more open. I'm going to use my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Eden. This color is going to help neutralize. Also taking that to my lower lash line. Once you start looking crazy, you're headed in the right direction. Okay, so now for the really fun part, I'm going to use for the first time the Naked Reloaded palette. And I have every single Naked palette, so I'm so happy to get this one in my hands. Such pretty colors, especially now that spring is coming soon, hopefully. Wishful thinking. So I'm going to be using these colors right here, but I'm also going to use these colors. And as you can see, these are a lot larger than the ones you can find in the center of this palette. All the colors you would tend to gravitate towards and hit pan on are a lot larger than usual, which I really appreciate because these are colors that I would possibly use a lot. Let's go into our brow color, and that's going to be Blur. And I like to use a flat shader brush to do that because it has the same shape as my arch right here. It just helps out. So find brushes that really kind of like fit in your crease, fit in your inner corner, fit underneath your brow bone. This way you're not using brushes that are too big. Now I'm going to go into this color, which is called Boundaries, and this is going to be my transition color. So what I did see is that when I hit my brush, it does get a bit powdery, so you want to make sure you always dust off powdery eyeshadows. I'm just lightly dusting this right here underneath my brow bone because I just want to add the dimension back into my eyelids. Now that the color's on, I'm just going to keep building up on that color. Okay, so now I'm going to take this color called Retro, and it's like a beautiful peachy color. This one isn't as powdery, but still there's fallout. I'm going to take this right in my crease, right underneath that brown. I'm going to keep on building the outer corner, and then I'm going to bring it in towards the inner corner, keeping it a little darker on the outside towards the middle, and then lighter on the inside. I'm going to go into this color right here that's called Endgame. This color is going to go right here in the outer corners. I'm going to take this little sponge applicator and I sprayed it with my Fix Plus spray. Now I'm going to go into this color that's so pretty, and it's called Angel Fire. And I'm just going to blend right where those colors meet. Okay, so while the color is super pretty in the pan, it doesn't go on exactly like it. So on this side, I'm going to try it dry. And what I did notice right now, this palette does not come with a brush like usual. So it pretty much is going on exactly the same. So I'm going to take Barely Baked. Just going to apply this right underneath the arch. Going to take Retro for my lower lash line. And Boundaries to the outer corner. Now I'm going to take End Game, which is the dark brown, and I'm just going to smoke out the outer corners. So since we're using a lot of browns on our eyes, I figured I'm going to keep going with that. And I'm going to use my roller liner eyeliner from Benefit Cosmetics, and this one is the brown shade. And then I'm going to go in with my Collab Boldface liner, and this shade is called Ego. Now for some mascara, I'm going to go in with my Marc Jacobs mascara, and this one is called Noir. Today's lashes are going to be by the Boldface Cosmetics, and these are the Muse lashes in Lash Gold. Okay, so to start off my face look, I'm just going to moisturize using my Strobe Cream by MAC Cosmetics. For foundation, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty, and my shade is 360. So this is the Pro Filter. You want to make sure you always shake it up. And now I'm starting to look a little bit more even. I don't know why my face is just naturally so much lighter than my body, because I don't have a tan anywhere. I am going to go in with the new Fenty Beauty Concealer, which I'm super excited to try out, and the shade that I have is 310. Make whatever face you have to make not to destroy what you just did underneath your eyes. Okay, so this concealer blends out so easily. Wow. Me gusta, me gusta, me gusta. I like it a lot. Now I'm going to use Truffle, and this is her Match Stick product, and I'm just going to apply it everywhere I need to contour. Okay, so I'm going to set underneath my eyes. What I can say so far is that there is no major creasing underneath my eyes yet. The product I'm going to use is the Fenty Beauty Setting Powder in Banana, and this is the Pro Filter powder, and it is the first time for me. I just got it. Now I'm going to go in with my bronzer, and this is the NYX Matte Bronzer in number 5. I'm just going to set my contour. For blush, I'm going to use this Peachy Tone Blush by L'Oreal, and this shade is called Just Curious. Before applying my highlight, I'm just going to spray my face using my Fix Plus. For my highlighter, I'm going to go in with this Killawatt highlighter, and this one is Mean Money and Hustla Baby, and I'm going to go in with Hustla Baby. To keep up with this peachy look, I'm going to go in with Whirl Lip Liner by MAC and Peach number 1 by Kim K. West. That's the look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's so soft and romantic. There were a few hiccups with the Urban Decay Naked palette. It was a bit powdery for me. However, the colors are absolutely stunning. I still came up with this look. I really do love the shades that are in there, and they were easy to blend. However, just like I said, they were just a bit powdery, which creates a lot of fallout. So if you're not really good at your skill yet at blending colors and applying them, you may find this a bit frustrating, but other than that, I think it's a beautiful palette. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribed and gave this video a thumbs up. Till my next video, stay beautiful.